here. Today I'm coming to you guys with my aloe vera pre-poo routine. This video is for those that are suffering with dry scalp, breakage, thin hair. I wanted to do this video specifically for you. And if you aren't suffering with those things and you just want to help your hair grow a little bit more, this is the perfect routine for you. Now, if you want to see how I do my aloe vera pre-poo routine for my wash day, make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video so you can see all of the products and things that I use to get my hair looking super healthy and to help with the growth of my hair. Now, before we get started, I want you to go ahead and hit that red button down below. It is completely free for you to join the beauty gang. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Now, without further ado, let's hop into this video about it. This routine is very affordable. The aloe vera I got from Walmart for like $1.98. Super cheap. Don't have to worry about breaking the bank with this routine. And what I did was, once I got home, I went ahead and rinsed off the aloe vera first. And I cut my aloe vera into small pieces. After I cut it, I went ahead and cut the spikes off the sides of the aloe vera so I can get inside the aloe vera and get all of the good stuff out. Okay, so I got a plastic fork and I basically scraped the inside of the aloe vera and got all of that good stuff off. You feel me? Like, I want all of that. Some pieces were chunky that came inside my bowl, but that's perfectly fine. I'm still gonna put it on my hair, but I basically scraped all of that off and I did the whole aloe vera leaf, the entire thing, because my hair is thick and I need as much as possible. So I did use the whole entire leaf. This leaf in particular was not that big compared to maybe like other leaves. You may be able to find a very good size aloe vera leaf, but at the Walmart by my house, this is all they had. So this is all we're gonna work with. And this is a good size. It's still gonna do the job. So this is my hair right now. It is, like I said, in need of some tender love and care, and we are going to get this together. Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put my hair into fours. It's a little nappy, a little nappy, but we're going to be as gentle as possible so we won't break our hair. And I am going to put this into fours. Now, if you're new to my channel, this is what I do. And if you're not new to my channel, you already know the routine. So I have my clips that I'm going to use to clip this into place. And I'm just going to do this all over. Not too hard. Now, this is going to be a little messy because the aloe vera is gooey and messy. My recommendation to you is to use a towel or to wear an old shirt that you really don't care too much about. I have on an old shirt and I'm also going to use a towel because I just don't want all of that aloe vera just dripping off my neck. You feel me? I don't want that, sis. I don't want that. This is how small the sections that I'm going to work with. I may actually, I'm going to put this into twos as well, just because my hair is very dry right now and matted up, and I don't want to break my hair off. Like, you do not want to break your hair off while you're doing this, guys. So I used another clip and I'm just going to basically work with this small section and put the aloe vera on. I have my aloe vera in my bowl here. I don't know if you guys can see, I don't want to spill it, but it's in my bowl. We're gonna put this towel on because, like I said, this is a messy routine. It's a little small towel, but it'll do the trick. Look how gooey. Yeah. It's so gooey. I love it. I love how gooey the aloe vera is. A few chunks in here, but like I said, I don't really care that it's chunks because it's gonna get rinsed out anyway. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply the aloe vera into into this section. My hair is so disgusting, y'all. Like, I can't even tell you how disgusting my hair is. And I really needed to do this. But as you guys can see, as I'm putting the aloe vera in, it's already detangling my hair up. I like to finger detangle because it prevents as much breakage as possible, but it's already like doing a good job at detangling my hair. Now that I worked it on the top, I'm going to really focus on the ends because I didn't really get much on the ends. This is messy. This is messy. Not even gonna lie to y'all. But your hair is going to feel freaking amazing after this routine. It's gonna feel so, so good. So look how easy it was to just detangle my hair. Like, super easy. It slides and glides, so that way you know you're not breaking off so much of your hair. But this is all the hair that I lost. That's it. It's not bad. Not bad at all. You feel me? Like, you don't want to lose a lot of hair. You don't want to lose a lot of hair when you're doing the detangling process, because that's how you get bald head, okay? That's how you get bald head. You saw firsthand, I detangled this, and that is all the hair that I lost in that section. Not too bad. Not too bad, aloe vera. So what I'm gonna do is speed through and do the rest of this, so you guys won't have to sit here and watch slow-mo of me going through each section. Like I said, I'm going to split each of these sections into twos, just so that way I'm working with even smaller sections, because my hair is thick and it is dry, and I want to prevent as much breakage as possible. I recommend that you do the same, unless you want to be bald head, sis. And then the aloe vera treatment will be irrelevant. Okay, so as you guys can see, I finished putting the aloe vera all over my hair, and I twisted my hair after just to let it sit. And then now what I'm going to do, what I like to do, is use my growth serum from Grandma Ruthie's Kinks and Curls. Now this I like because it has this little squeezy top thingy, for one. Two, it's my company. Three, it treats bald spots, thin edges, and dandruff. So what I like to do, you can use this growth serum however you like. You can put it in after you finish styling your hair. You could put it in with your pre-poo. I personally am going to use it while I pre-poo in after I style my hair. So this is the beauty. You can get it directly on your scalp. You don't have to worry about making a mess with trying to get this on your scalp. But I really like to do this because this is gonna help with all that itchiness that my scalp has been feeling. And it's also going to help thicken my hair. So this is the combo, y'all. This is the combo. And we ain't done yet. it's levels to this. It is levels to this, literally. Now that I got my growth serum on my scalp, all I'm gonna do is go ahead and massage my scalp. Get that stuff, get the product massaged in, let it do its job. Scalp massages are great for your hair because it just really helps stimulate the growth. And that's what we want, ladies. That is what we want. So I'm going to go ahead and be very gentle on my edges when I massage the oil because I don't want to pull them. You feel me? This is the most fragile parts of your hair, them edges. And we don't want to have a head full of hair and some bald edges. It ain't cute. It ain't cute, sis. It ain't cute. So go ahead, massage that in. I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for approximately like 15-30 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out. I'm going to show you guys the products that I use when I do my hair after doing the pre-poo, because all of these things just really work together with helping with the growth, the moisture, and all that good stuff with my hair. So if you want to get longer, thicker, fuller, shinier hair, stay tuned, boo. I got you. I got you. Okay, so my camera died for one after I showed you guys the shampoo and all of that. What I did was condition my hair. Now I am going to deep condition my hair. This is the deep conditioner that I'm using. All of these products are from the same company, Grandma Ruthie's Kinks and Curls. And basically this deep conditioner, I like to use a deep conditioner every time that I wash my hair so that I can put in the moisture and really just make sure my hair is getting the moisture that it needs. So this deep conditioner in particular helps to deeply moisturize your hair. It helps to stimulate growth, and it also helps restore damaged hair. And it is a black castor oil deep conditioner, so it has castor oil in it. And you know, castor oil is great, great for helping with growth. So this entire routine is just growth galore, literally growth galore. What I'm going to do is just basically put my hair into sections, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this deep conditioner onto my hair so you guys can see how the deep conditioner goes onto my hair, the consistency and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I like to do 4s because once again, we don't want to have breakage when it comes to doing our hair. So we put our hair into 4s to help eliminate breakage, ladies. This is the consistency of the deep conditioner. Is very rich and creamy. I am very heavy-handed with deep conditioner, but I'm trying to, you know, be very, it smells so good. Okay, let's finish this hair, you guys. So I apply this to my hair, and of course I'm going to finger detangle this through and just really work it through my hair, making sure it gets deep into my strands. And that is pretty much it. It slides on so nicely, so nicely. And just look at my hair, you guys. Y'all saw how my hair looked in the beginning. It was so rusty. My hair needed this. It needed some loving. Oh, my scalp feels so good. But seriously, this is what I like to do on wash day, just to help with growth, help with moisture, just helping with the health of my hair. And as you guys can see, this was what my hair looked like before. Trash, complete trash. And this is what it's looking like now. It looks so much healthier. This is what I like to see. This is what I like to see. But my hair looks so much healthier. My scalp feels very good. My hair feels really soft and moisturized. I'm going to let the deep conditioner sit in my hair for approximately 30 minutes. Honestly, it might be a little longer than that because I'm going to clean up around the house while this sits. But you can let it sit for 30 minutes. Most, I let it sit for an hour and then I take it and go ahead and rinse it out. So that way I can go ahead and style my hair with the products so my hair is done for the week. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button down below. It is free. And stay tuned for my next video. If you guys want to see more ways that you can use the aloe vera in your hair routine, let me know in the comments down below so that way I can go ahead and plan that video out for you guys and put it out for you. Thank you so much for just tuning into this video and for your support. I'll see you guys in my next video.